have another Kimber situation at first.
What's that?
I thought we were gonna have another Kimber situation at the first part.
Yeah, right.
Oh. I was like, why are you filming me?
So this is 9mm Kel-Tec Sub-2000 multi-mag, and it does one of those numbers. But if you shoot it like this, don't. Just not a good day.
This one happened to come with Kimber mags, right? No.
Beretta mag.
Beretta.
Yeah. It holds up to 7 different mags, and you can change them out. A couple different SIG ones and whatnot, M&P, whatever, with a little modification. This one is currently set up for Beretta 96 and 92 mags, and we're gonna try it out. Has a threaded barrel.
Don't look down the barrel.
Yeah, yeah, what is that? But all right, that's it. You could just hit that square. Baby, hit a square, man. So I think you go out a 15 round and a 30 round. Ooh. Baby, put those back. I don't know what that is, but we'll call that good. Alright, also, correction. This one clearly says 10 round. I got my education at a Jiffy Lube. And, yeah, this one held some. And now we're gonna test it out. What, something was said?
I feel like it usually holds something.
Oh. She's in.
Glasses? There you go.
Safety first. Let's see what we can get with this. Hold on. I need to walk right up on the top. Actually, I'll try this fire one. I guess they come with safeties nowadays. Weird. Pretty good.
Ooh, I thought we were going to have another Kimber situation at first.
What's that?
I thought we were going to have another Kimber situation at the first part.
Yeah, right. Yeah. So far, I think it's pretty cool. And, yeah, she held in. Now it's time for her to try it.
Woo! How did you charge it?
This thing.
This thing?
Mm-hmm.
Pull it back?
Yep. It's kind of awkward, but
like that.
Yeah,
one?
let go. Yep.
Okay.
Good job.
Thanks.
Go Red Hill.
Did you leave the safety off?
I don't know.
Alright. Well, we'll see.
No, I think it goes the other way.
The sight's freaking hard to see.
Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Ten rounds, Louise.
Yeah.
Kind of like it.
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah, it works.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so I'll do a quick review in my 2 cents of the Sub-2000. So this thing having a 16-inch barrel, once you got it on target, and it was a nice straight shooter. We Shot with it all day and not one single hiccup with it. And I guess these are known to be pretty reliable. I just took it out as is and didn't adjust the stock. I didn't adjust the front grip, but now I will. And I'm not the biggest fan of the sights, the rear sight. The hole's kind of small to look through, but once you get dialed in on it, it nails targets. These weigh about 4¼ pounds. They feel pretty nice, and yeah, real fun toy. They're known to be simply real fun, practical because you can fold it up and carry it with you. But yeah, it was a good buy. I picked it up used for $375, and nice little addition to the collection. Whoa! Very nice. I just got done with the Sub-2000. It's pretty cool. She went good. No didn't run the most ammo through it, but no malfunctions. But picking up shells to be respectful.
And it keeps your hands warm if you're getting cold when they're fresh. Wow, my hair looks frizzy.
That might be true, yeah. On both things.
Wow.
Ooh.
At least my hair could be frizzy.
We're out. Oh. Bye-bye.